Welcome to the project demonstration of turret gun position of a ship based on the input from the enemy ship. So this is already we have demonstrated in previous video along with the angle and turret gun position controlling based on the input from the laptop to Arduino Uno software. So now we have changed some inputs to that. So the angle of turret gun position in relation to earth is as usually old expression only, and coming to this now we are changing. So why? Because previously we are taking the example of the enemy ship is coming towards our ship. So now we are going to calculate that in any direction. If enemy is coming from any direction, then my system will work to control the position and angle of this turret gun. So now we are going to calculate the angle calculation. So with respect to of north, this is our ship. So we are placed here, and the enemy ship is circled one. So the enemy ship is direction is doesn't require now, but the enemy ship angle with respect of north from our ship. So nothing but, so here we are placing, and the enemy ship is theta angle with respect of north. He is away from us, and then our ship is towards the south side, that is 180 degrees. So now these two are considered as alpha is going to be the my angle and theta is enemy angle. Then delta is lambda is equal to alpha minus theta if it is greater than, and in other conditions if the angle of enemy is greater than my angle, then reverse will be occur for the formulation. And now in this manner we are going to control the turret gun position. So let us explain you in practical. So this is our ship and this is enemy ship. So the enemy ship is, if any direction is doesn't required, so doesn't matter. And let us taking example of, this is north. As of now for us, this is the north. My left side is my north. And consider example of the enemy my ship is in 45 degrees and the enemy ship is in any direction. He is facing is any direction. His heading is not required. So if enemy ship is in 180 degrees, so like from the north he is facing, is placing in 180 degrees, not facing, is placing, and my ship is in 45 degrees. Then my turret gun has to rotate in 135 degrees to aim this enemy ship. So the same manner, like 45 degrees, and this is the 180 degrees. The 180 degrees greater than my 45 degrees, then 180 minus 45, then we'll get the 135 degrees. So let us take the another example of, so if the enemy ship is placed here and my ship is placed towards the direction of, let us take an example of around 300. So this is the 300, near to 300, and now enemy ship is placed here. So now the angle between me and enemy ship is, so like this we need to calculate. Okay, and from the north consider is 45 degrees and my angle is going to be the 300 degrees. So now 300 minus 45, so it's going to be, so now 300 minus 45 is 255. So we need to understand that the 255 is degree of rotation of my gun, not with respect of north. Already before calculation we are considering the with respect to of north, and we are getting reading from the GY 511 compass, and after that we need to calculate the degree of angle in which direction we need to rotate that. So it will be calculated by the Arduino Uno. So let us see the demonstration. So now we are towards the east. So as we are explained in the previous video also, just connect the system to the Arduino Uno software of the laptop, and this is the main important power supply. This is power supply for the servo motor only, and this is a power supply for the Arduino. So now I entered 180 degrees 40 nautical miles. So once I hit enter, then it's rotated. After 5 seconds it will come back again. So now I'm entering 340. So 300 degrees rotated, and after 5 seconds it will go back to again. After go back to again only, then we need to enter the next values.